Hi! In front of me is T-Mobile phone 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, open Settings and choose Security section after scrolling down. Now you need to scroll down again and tap on Face Unlock. Then enter your current login method and click on Start at the bottom right corner after reading the disclaimer. Now keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. When it's ready, select Done at the bottom right corner and adjust all of those face unlock settings however you wish to. Then click on Home button. Now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. If you wish to delete your face data, you can do that by going into exactly the same settings, tapping on face unlock, entering your login method, and tapping on Delete Face Data. Now confirm your choice in the pop-up by selecting OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!